Very good afternoon everybody. Today we are going to unboxing the MI camera, which is a home security camera, 360 108 megapixels, and it's kind of an innovation for everyone, and it's kind of the virtual camera. If you buy this camera, you can protect your someone, loving ones, your home, everybody. Now Mani is going to unboxing this camera. Let's start. 1 2 let's start. Cheer up guys. Wow, it's super. Let's see, wait for a while. And we will provide you every update regarding this camera because it's a super camera in this range. Its quality too superb in this price. If I tell about the price, its price around going to be 2600 999, around 2700. And let's start. Manish, hurry up. Its charger. वाओ, जिसको आपको इंतज़ार था वो वेट ख़त्म हुआ. Let's Mani's audience wouldn't wait for a minute. सुपर. वाओ, ये कितने खुश लग रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हैं इनको. वाओ, ये कैमरा MI. It's if I talk about the quality, it's a wonderful quality in this range, and it's a flexible camera without any wire. It's connected with your PC, mobile phones. It's a good camera in this range. I would like to especially thanks to MI because MI provide the wonderful product in this range, and you know very well MI is a super brand in India. And its charger. Now we are going to unboxing its charger. In charger, MI provide lead, fixing materials, charger, and its data cable. MI data cable, and it's a good quality. So now we are going to fixing this camera. We will coming back soon. Bye bye.